So this was a prediction we've actually been doing since last week, right? If you have been following this channel consistently back to back, you would have seen that we've predicted it numerous times that Euro USD will push on to tap this level, right? Which is a level of 184. So we've been doing this prediction since last week, when the market was around a level of 183, 182. Let's say approximately a level of 182. Market was trading around that level of 182, whereby we predicted that market will push up to come to a level of 185 and 184, as it is a ranging market, that is a resistance level. Why do we expect that movement? That when you zoom it out, you will see that we are in a ranging market move, whereby market was able to come to our resistance, then we had a rejection that made market to drop back to our support level. Market then was able to reject from the support level back to our resistance. The market eventually rejected from the resistance back to our support level. Then we had this rejection from support back to the resistance, even thereby giving us a false breakout, right? The market now eventually corrected itself and dropped back to our support level. Now on this our support level, we've gotten a multiple rejection zone right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We've gotten a 4 rejection zone right here, right? Now market eventually pushed up again to tap our resistance. So anytime soon, guys, we will be expecting market to give us a sell setup. So we should be looking for a sell setup on EURJPY before we can go ahead and take the sell that will make market to drop back to our support level. So guys, only a bearish move is what you should be expecting now, as we should be expecting, right? We should only go ahead and take the sell if only we find the sell setup. If we do not see the sell setup, if there is no sell setup, do not take the sell. But once there is a sell setup, go ahead and take the sell, because our next movement on Euro USD will most likely be a bearish move. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the update.